What you said, this is Billy Snaps. Billy Snaps. Follow Babia Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Babia WhatsApp class with your YouTube crowd and education. Follow Leho and I'll be your good names. Bye bye.
Yeah, hello. Welcome once again. This is your boy Billy, and I'm live giving you an update of what is going on at the Ofankor in Sawom Road project. And yes, it's a raining time, and I'm giving you the update right away. Into say, oh, 7 there, we saw no air now. So because of the love that we want to just give you latest update all the time, we are right here to let say walk through the rain to just give you an update. So this is the situation right here at Ofankor Amasaman Stadium Road, and yes, it's getting late and people are going to town, and also most of them are returning from their places, and it's going to be a heavy traffic congestion right here as I report for now. So there's the update. Let's see what's going to happen next. Thanks for watching. So let's get into the video and see more about what is really happening right here as it's raining, and yes, construction is also going on. My name is Billy, and you are watching Review with Billy on Billy Snap. Kindly subscribe, also hit on the bell icon for more updates. Thanks.
Right away. So yes, when we got there, we can see that yes, a lot of people are returning from work, and kids have closed from school, but we wanted to get to this wonderful update. So as you can see, yes, it has for this side, the rain has gone down a little bit, but with the other side from Pokwase is still raining heavily. So this is what you can see on your screen. Yes, there is the first leading to the first overhead, as you can see, being completed. Yes, it levels one or two things that they need to be just put in place, and beside it the commercial bank, and also the gas filling station is also on your right. And yes, you will see how it is. Yes, they are making all effort to complete this wonderful road before end of next year, but we don't know what is happening right here. And there's a little information reaching us that yes, some of the other sites and places have been they stopped working due to one or two reasons. They are not being paid. This is what we are hearing, that some sectors or some places have not returned to site, and they stopped working because they are not being paid. So as you can see, the lady there, when I interviewed her, she said she wouldn't return back to work because for 2 months now she haven't been paid, and this is a serious one. Is the government trying their best to push in more money to complete the work, or they are going to say abandon the work? And this is going to cause a lot of traffic, going to cause a lot of mess for Ghanaians who are living around this sector. We are all urging that yes, the government will also try their possible best to complete this work, because it's one of the highways, one of the busy roads so far. Accra to Kumasi Road is one of the busy roads so far, and they can't leave this work without completing. So information reaching us that yes, some places have stopped working because they don't have money to pay them. Yes, some of the foremen have just confirmed that they don't have any money to pay them. So we are all hoping that they'll finish, and when they finish, we can just get this wonderful one.
Beautiful land, Canada be. Beautiful land, Canada be, Canada be. can I be? Beautiful land, can I be? Beautiful land, can I be? Can I be? Mama, 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 Lana, 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 beautiful land, can I be? Can I be? Can I be? Beautiful land, can I be? Can I be? Beautiful land, Ghana de be. Beautiful land, Ghana de be, Ghana de be. Lana, 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 beautiful land, Ghana de be, Ghana de be, Ghana de be, beautiful land, Ghana de be, Ghana de be. Beautiful land, Ghana de be. Beautiful land, Ghana de be, Ghana de be. Lana, 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 beautiful land, Ghana de be, Ghana de be, Ghana de be, beautiful land, Ghana de be, Ghana de be. Beautiful land, Ghana de be. Beautiful land, Ghana de be, Ghana de be. Lana, 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 beautiful land. Canada be beautiful land. Canada be Lana, beautiful land. Canada be beautiful land. Canada be beautiful land. Canada be beautiful land. Canada beautiful land. Canada be beautiful land. Canada be Lana, beautiful land. Beautiful land, Canada be. Beautiful land, Canada be. Canada be. Beautiful land, Canada be, Canada be, Canada be. Beautiful land, Canada be. Beautiful land, Canada be. Canada be. Lana, 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 beautiful land, Canada be, Canada be, Canada be, beautiful land, Canada be, Canada be.
Abokope station. Taxis no. Call Abokope New Life and the no. For now no. Call Amasaman Kuni Magasa. One market only the update sir. You should keep on watching. Now you far updates now. We so to say who send ya so to Amasaman etie. Fana be na who send ya to Amasaman. You bremo update.
Beautiful land, Ghana de be. Beautiful land, Ghana de be, Ghana de be. Mama, 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 Lana, 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 beautiful land, Ghana de be, Ghana de be, Ghana de be, beautiful land. Ghana de be, Ghana de be.
So this is the Abokope Road. When I talk about Abokope Road, the road leading to Odia and Kaimrabia's house, the road leading to Countryman's Uncle's house, and the road leading to Bongo de Forest house. So if you're watching that Abokope Road, yes, very rough. So I'm going to give you
Beautiful land,
what is going to happen. Yes, it's raining very heavily.
Ghana de
It's
be,
raining.
Ghana
So,
de be.
here with you to tell us all the updates. So, if you're watching this, what is happening right here, Ghana and also your Amasaman.
Lana, 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 beautiful land, Ghana de be, Ghana de be, Ghana de be, beautiful land, Ghana de be, Ghana de be.
Good afternoon, wherever you watch me. This is your boy Billy, and yes, you are watching videos right over here. We are Ghana. So if what is going to happen at Amasaman. Yes, the road construction that they are doing. I'm going there to give you the update of what is going to happen and what is happening right here as it's raining heavily. So keep on watching, keep on subscribing as I keep you updated on all construction and also all things happening right here. So let's keep you going. Come with me. Let's go.
Canada be beautiful land. Canada be Lana, beautiful land. Canada be beautiful land. Canada be Lana, beautiful land. Canada be beautiful land. Canada be beautiful land. Canada be beautiful land. Canada be